All right, day 4 of daily math. So we've got the first problem is a division problem. So I'm going to solve it using the standard algorithm. All right, so and then I'm just going to work my way over. So what times 6 gets me close to 7? You should have gotten 1. 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract, you get 1. Bring down your 7, and then repeat. What times 6 gets us close to 17 without going over? So 6 times 3 is 18. So that's a little too big. So we have to do 6 times 2. And 6 times 2 is 12. Subtract, you get 5. Bring down your 4, and then start all over. Is there anything times 6 that gives us 54? And the answer is yes, 6 times 9. So 6 times 9 is 54. Subtract, you get 0. So there is no remainder, and our quotient is 129. 43,204 plus 23,524. So I'm going to rewrite this so the numbers are stacked on top of each other. And then I'm going to add. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 3 is 6, and 2 plus 4 is 6. So no regrouping, pretty easy, straightforward addition problem. So you should have gotten 46,728. All right, let's look at the next problem. It's a subtraction problem. Make sure the big number goes on top, and we're going to stack them on top of each other. So 375,211 minus 188,456. And then I'm just going to work my way over. So 1 minus 6 we can't do, so I go to the tens place. I take 1 away, that leaves me 0, and add 10, that gives me 11. So 11 minus 6 is 5. 0 minus 5 I can't do, so I go next door, I regroup. This becomes a 10, and the 2 becomes a 1. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now I go to the hundreds place. Can't do 1 minus 4, so I go next door. The 5 becomes a 4, and the 1 becomes an 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. Then I go next door. 4 minus 8 we can't do, so lots of regrouping. The 7 becomes a 6, and the 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 6 minus 8 you can't do. Go to the hundred thousands place. This becomes a 2. This becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 186,755. All right, last problem is a word problem. Peter attends 6 dance lessons each week. So there's only 7 days in a week. That means he goes every day except one time, all year long. He does this all year long. A year has 52 weeks. Peter missed 5 dance lessons while sick. How many dance lessons did Peter attend during the year? Okay, so we have the number of groups as being 52, but I don't want to draw 52 circles. So I'm going to use the area model for this. And I'm going to worry about the classes he missed in a minute. So I'm just going to figure out if he didn't miss any classes, how many classes would that be? So he attends 6 dance lessons every week, and there's 52 weeks in a year. So I am going to draw the area model that looks like this. I'm going to put 6 over here and 52. So how many classes would go in the middle? So to figure that out, we use our area and our area formula. That's why it's called the area model. And we're going to do 52 times 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Carry your 1. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 1 is 31. So if he didn't miss any classes, he would have went to 312 classes all year long. That's a lot of dance classes. But he did get sick 5 times, and he had to miss 5 classes. So that means I need to take away 5 classes out of 312. So I'm going to do 312 minus 5. 2 minus 5 we can't do. So this becomes a 0, and this becomes a 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Bring down your 0, bring down your 3. So he was able to attend 307 dance classes. Peter was able to attend 307 dance classes. All right, I will see you next week for more daily math.